Welcome to the lecture on plasticity and motor neurons. Our minds have such an ability to influence our lives. It's amazing how powerful our mind and our thoughts can be. How we look at the world shapes our own world. Plasticity, this is the brain changes throughout our life, okay? So reorganizing after damage or by building new pathways based on experiences. New neurological pathways reflect personal experiences. The human brain is designed to change, process change, and continue to reorganize itself. Our brains are not only shaped by our genes, but just by our everyday life. Anything that happens through our day can shape our brains and how they react in the neurons that we have. Our body's neurological information system is built to be simple. It has building blocks that are neurons or our nerve cells. Every day, new neurons are born and older ones that are not being used tend to die or get pushed out. Neurons are different, but they are all on the same theme. Each have a cell body and its branching fibers. These retrieve the messages and push it forward to the cell body. From there, the axon fibers pass the message to the other neurons or to the muscles or the glands to where this message needs to go. I hope you've enjoyed this lecture. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.